So when it comes to dealing with your add-ons and keeping them up to date, finding out if HardOps is up to date is as easy as clicking the HardOps button, where if you are out of date, you'll see that the icon will be red instead of green, and you'll have icons pointing you to your market of origin to download the latest zips. If we were to click on Edit and go to our preferences, we can actually remove each of these add-ons that we want to update and then install the latest versions. However, if you want to keep your preferences for these add-ons, it is easier to actually close Blender and then replace the add-ons via folder replacement. So I'm going to go to the %appdata%, and we're going to go inside of Blender Foundation, Blender 3.3, scripts, add-ons. So I actually have the zips open for HardOps, Boxcutter, and Mirror Tools. So what we will do is actually delete all three of these. And we'll just drag over Mirror Tools. We'll drag over Hops, the folder. And we'll drag over Boxcutter. And just like that, we have updated these outside of Blender. It's just that easy. So if we click on the Blender icon, we are opening it up, and we see that now we're no longer out of date when we click on the Hops icon. So just like that, we have updated, and there really wasn't a whole lot to it. So just showing you that there's alternative ways that you're able to update your add-ons, and that is the way that you want to do it if you do not want to lose your preferences. Otherwise, you will be losing your preferences.